afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to make garlic shrimp with Risotto Primavera. And I'm going to show you how to cook it in the Ninja Foodi. First thing you want to do, you got to make sure you get all your ingredients together. As you can see right here, I've got my shrimp, my risotto, stock, asparagus. I'm good to go. I got everything I need. So what you want to do is you want to go over to your Ninja Foodi. You want to hit select or saute, set the medium high, and you want to preheat for 5 minutes. So we're going to go over here on. We want to go to saute, medium high, okay. Oh, okay. Hold on. Forgot my lid. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? Okay. You want to preheat for 5 minutes. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I found out what I did wrong. Yeah, right now it's preheating, so it's going to go for 5 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to start adding in the ingredients after it gets done. So I'll be back in a few minutes and we'll start to put the ingredients in. Okay, what you want to do now is you want to add 1 tablespoon of oil into the pan. Okay. Then you want to add half of your garlic. So it's about half there. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to let that cook till you get a nice fragrance. So let's mix it up. Now they say to put onions in it. I don't like onions, as everybody probably knows by now, so I'm not going to put onions in it. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take your stock here. And you want to add your stock and the rice to the pot. Then you want to put the pressure lid on, seal it into position, and you want to cook it for 7 minutes. So let's go ahead and put the stock in here. Okay. And then we're going to put our rice. Oh yeah, look at that. That's going to be good. Let's stir it up. Okay. We'll put our pressure lid back on. It's right here. Okay. You want to make sure your thing is on seal. And you want to go to pressure. You want to pressure it on high. And you want to set it for 7 minutes. And then start. Okay, well, we'll be back in 7 minutes after it gets done cooking, and we'll show you what comes next. Okay, what you want to do is, while that's doing the pressure cooker thing and it's heating up, you want to take the rest of your ingredients, your salt, your black pepper, over here rather, your red pepper, and your garlic, and you want to put them all into a bowl. Now, I just put them like that so you can see. Dog's not included, by the way. Okay. So, what you want to do is you want to take your shrimp. You want to put your shrimp in the bowl. Get all that good, delicious shrimp in there. Then, what I like to do is, let me show you here. I like to take a Tupperware container. You put the lid on it, and then you mix it up. Oh, you mix it good, really good. You get all them delicious juices on top of all that delicious fish. Or crustacean, I guess it would be. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, oh yeah, this is going to be good. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, I'll show you what this looks like here. Okay, this is what it looks like. Pretty good, huh? And all that is going to be cooked inside the pressure cooker when it comes time. Now, just so you know, I'm going to give you the ingredients here while I got a little bit of time. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 small onion, if you like onion. 4 cloves of garlic, peeled, minced, and divided. 3 teaspoons of kosher salt. 5 1/2 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. 2 cups of orbuno or bone, whatever, the ORBORIO rice. Jumbo shrimp, peeled and deveined, defrosted. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. 2 tablespoons of butter. The juice of 1 lemon. A bunch of asparagus, trimmed, cut in 1-inch pieces, and 1 1/2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese, plus more for serving. So while this is going in, we're going to go ahead and break, and we'll be back as soon as this thing's done. Okay, quick update. The pressure cooking part is done, but you want to let this go for 10 minutes and naturally release the air. Then after the 10 minutes, you'll go ahead and you'll hit the switch and you'll forcefully release the air, what's left. And then we'll move on to the next part. So we'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, now while this is still, you see I got another 4 more minutes. While this is going, you want to put your shrimp inside your pot for your Ninja Foodi. Now, if you don't have a Ninja Foodi, I don't know what to tell you, okay? Go buy one. They're a great investment. Matter of fact, I'm telling you all now, go buy a Ninja Foodi. There, okay, there. Then you'll be able to do these wonderful recipes that I'm doing. Okay, so you better go buy a Ninja Foodi. I'm not playing around. Okay. All right, everybody. We will see you in about 4 minutes. Okay, everybody, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and we're going to release the rest of the air that's trapped in there. Then once all the air goes out, we're going to go ahead and open it up. We're going to take the pot, we'll put the pot over here. And actually, we'll just do the whole thing right here. You can actually do this to make it quicker. You hit the little button here. Make sure you do it with something. Don't do it with your hand. All right, right now there's still too much air to open it up. If you have too much air pressure building, it won't let you open the Foodi. Oh, I can smell that from here. Wow. Oh, that's gonna be good. Okay, almost. Okay. Now, so you got your risotto there. What you want to do is you want to take your butter and your lemon juice. You want to pour it in here. You also want to take your asparagus and you want to dump your asparagus in there. And then what you want to do is you want to stir it up until it gets all mixed up and yummy. Yeah. Now, it says to use a bunch of asparagus, so that's what I used. I used a bunch. I just hope it's not too much. That'll be all right. Can never get too much asparagus. Makes your urine smell, though. So be careful if you're subject to that. All right. So, all right. We got that all mixed together. I don't know why I told you that, guys. All right, so you want to put that in here. See, the problem is you got a little too much. So what you want to do is you want to shut the lid, if you can. Hold on. Okay, what you want to do, you want to do it at what temperature? Oh, you want to broil, I'm sorry. And set the time to 8 minutes. That's my fault. Okay, hold on. Oh, that was bad. Broil. Then you want to set for 8 minutes and start. Now keep in mind, this didn't close. So, you know, I'm not going to hold this for 8 minutes shut. Hopefully there'll be enough pressure in here built that'll broil it So it'll come out tasting really good. All right, well, we'll be back in 8 minutes and we'll show you what it looks like. And here we go. This is what it looks like. I already tried one of the shrimps. It's amazing. You want to take some Parmesan cheese and you want to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Then you can use the rest of the Parmesan cheese as people would like to use it, you know, inside. Now, if you're really ambitious, you can go ahead and get yourself some goat cheese balls. And you can have a full, this is another 4 minutes. Then they'll be ready. But that's it. So, if anybody wants this full recipe from the Ninja Foodi, let me know. And I'll go ahead and I'll send it to you. Like I said, it's not going to do you any good unless you got a Ninja Foodi. So, you would need a pressure cooker and an air fryer. So you basically could do everything if you had both of those things. A lot of people have the one pots, the pressure cookers. So that's it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know. Oh man! Oh, that is amazing. One more. Wow. Okay. Take care.